This is a beautiful 1972 Ford Mustang Convertible. It has a 351 Cobra Jet engine. And the ram air hood. Air conditioning. And you'll note what looks like a new original type compressor there. Beautiful under hood condition here. The whole car is really superbly restored. Nice red paint, black top, and black hockey type hockey stick. That's it, hockey stick decoration there on the side. Original type upholstery. And one feature I really like is that console there with the cup holder. That's a redo there of the console for 72, and 4-speed manual. Fits like a glove. Plus you've got the serviceability of the cup holder. Notice it has power windows too. It has the auxiliary gauges there in the center. And a nice wood steering wheel. Center gas filler cap. And a nice spoiler there on the back. Very nicely done. I think one of the nicest 72 convertibles I've ever seen. Original type battery too. Very well done car.